All right, just ordered this from Amazon. Rove R2-4K model, R2-4K. Capture stunning detail, 4K, 30 frames per second. Built-in GPS, built-in Wi-Fi. Comes with the QR code so you can download the app. And pretty solid package overall. Let's open it up. Alright, so there's the cable. I'll give you a little tool to tuck in the wire. I guess some other ways also, you can also, oh, this is the one that sticks to the glass, but it also comes with this. So I guess in case you want to just maybe stick it to the dashboard instead, that's what I'm assuming. And a bunch of these little ones. So I'm gonna look through the manual, and oh, it also came with this car charger. And then I'm gonna look through the manual and see how I'm supposed to set this up, and then I'll be back. Okay, setup is complete.
Okay.
All right, guys, we did it. Okay, the camera is set up right there. Ezekiel, where's the orange tool?
Over here. You have it.
Okay, it came with this little orange thing so you can tuck in the wire at the top. I gotta clean my windshield. And then I wasn't able to stick this anywhere on the side, so it also came with where you can actually like stick them onto the car and just run the wire down there. So I used one right there, one down there, and then when it went, I put it under the car so that the wire isn't really showing. So I'll also include a video clip of the car. You guys want to go around real quick? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's go around the block real quick, and then I'm going to include a part of that, of the video recording, of the dash cam recording into the video clip. All right.
Video mode. Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.
All right, what's up, guys? This is the video clip that I'm gonna include for the dash cam footage. Also just talking in it, just so that you guys can hear how good the audio sounds from the inside. I had already saved the clip that I was gonna use, but I'm gonna replace it with this one just because the audio sounded pretty good on that old one, and I just wanted to replace it with me talking real quick. But yeah, I would definitely recommend buying this. It's only $75 plus tax, probably like 80 total on Amazon. And I also see that it's available on TikTok, so check it out on TikTok if you want. I'll have, for the TikTok clip that I'm gonna include, it's gonna be right there for you to click and purchase if you want to get it there. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.